The silent killer apparently strikes again today. The Clark County coroner confirming that an elderly couple was killed by accidental carbon monoxide poisoning in their Anthem home back in July, which prompts the question, just how much are you paying attention to your carbon monoxide detectors? Well, 13 Action News anchor Leslie Marine has some of the biggest mistakes you may be making tonight that really could impact your family.
Did you feel like carbon monoxide was a big threat to you?
Oh, heavens no. No, who pays attention to that?
Deanne Calloway wasn't worried about the silent killer until it creeped into the home next door.
Oh, it upset the whole neighborhood for, weeks. It was horrendous.
The elderly couple inside died after neighbors say the couple left their car running in the garage. The coroner confirming it was accidental carbon monoxide poisoning.
There's one there.
Their deaths now prompting neighbors to check their detectors.
I went immediately to the store and got replacement units for all the house.
Yes, I replaced all of them.
Tim Smansky with the Las Vegas Fire and Rescue says many people forget their carbon monoxide detectors have to be replaced every 5 years.
You have no warning, and that's this carbon monoxide alarm is the only one that can tell you that it's inside the house.
Tim says the biggest mistake people make is only changing their batteries, not the entire device. Mark Cook quickly learning he's been making that mistake for years.
I took mine out and held it in the car exhaust. It didn't even make a sound.
Firefighters say every device should have a date on the back. Just add 5 years to it, and that's how you'll know if your device needs to be replaced. Reporting from Lake Mead in 95, Leslie Marine, 13 Action News.